This is like my fifth VinFast. Wow, and it's black with a gray roof. And this is a VinFast VF5. Let me show you my number 5 VinFast. Let's go.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
Wow, I get another flower. It's like I get flowers every week now, every week. And I have another one.
Yeah.
Why I have two? Why I have two flowers?
One sale.
Oh, one from VinFast?
One sale.
Oh,
yeah.
one sales. Which sales?
Which sale?
Oh, this is VinFast?
Big girl.
Oh, this is from sales.
Yeah.
And who gave me this?
Miss Hoa.
Miss Tua. Miss Tua is my salesperson in VinFast. She is so good. She works at Taodin VinFast, and I think she's top sales because I bought like 4 VinFast from her. I bought one from another person, but I bought 4 VinFast, and I'm probably gonna buy even more from her. And Miss Tua is not here today because she's sick. Apparently, she's in the hospital. So who are you?
I'm with.
Miss Nguyen is representing Miss Tua to be here to give me my VinFast VF5 Plus. Wanna show me the car?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, okay.
Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the interior. It's like orange and black.
Yeah.
It looks like Halloween.
Halloween.
This is the Halloween colors, right? And it's all brand new. Let's oh yeah. Oh wow, wait. This is very ceremonial. I gotta peel this off. Oh yeah. After I peel this off, this VinFast is mine.
Congratulations.
It's all mine. Oh yeah, I'm taking its virginity away, you know. Oh yeah, baby. I'm taking away the main brain, you know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay. It's her very first time, you know. And then, oh, God, I gotta take off the condom, huh? This is bagashu. Well, this is not a very good bagashu, but okay. Wow. I can put it in my butt, you know. Put it in my butt. Okay. So let me just show you some of the accessories that I got. So I got the DVR, which is quite important because we want to record what happens when we're driving, just in case there's any like altercations or, you know, accidents or whatever, right? And also we got this mat. This comes with like, this is an accessory that comes with the car, but you have to buy. This is the accessory that you have to buy, and then it's actually kind of cool. It does offer some friction. It's plastic, rubbery. And what else did I get? I think that's it. Oh look, there's more things to take off. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm breaking it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I'm gonna like break it for the first time. Oh yeah, in my and then you wanna do that one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, she doesn't care. She just rip it apart. Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna put it in your butt too? Okay. Well, I already know how the car works, and I love the VinFast VF5 Plus because it's a great car. My other VinFast VF5 Plus doesn't have any problems.
Oh.
0 problems.
Yeah.
and we already put like 2,000 kilometers on it. It's a company car. We have a driver that drives it every day. And this is going to be our company car too. And let me show you, it's really cool because now I can manage all of my VinFast in the app,
Yes.
right?
VinFast app.
Yeah!
You can connect.
I love the VinFast app because look at that. Well, I have to like use my finger. Look, there's my VinFast VF5 Plus. That's this one, right?
Yeah.
And right now it's 50. Oh, that's not true. It says 55%,
Yeah.
but it's actually 96. So you actually helped me charge up. Thank you.
Okay.
And it's like 9 kilometers. It's 32 here. It's not synced up yet, but let me show you something cool. Look at all my VinFast cars here.
many cars.
I have many. Like I have 2 VF5s. I have a VF9. I have a VFE34.
Yeah.
And actually, I have a VF8. It's not in here yet, but we will move that car from another account here. So I have all the cars here.
Yeah.
And in the future, VF6, VF7,
Yeah.
VF3.
Sure.
Yes, yes. I think Miss Nuet will be very happy because I think I will buy every VinFast out there, and then like she can be top sales.
Yeah.
We create a lot of top sales in, if you work with me, you're top sales. Okay, so Miss Nuet, what do you want to do now?
You want to
What do you want to do now?
Chị không biết làm gì hết.
Không biết làm gì.
No, nothing.
All right, we'll just go, right? Oh, Miss Fong there. She said she wanted the balloon. I don't know why. I don't know why she said she wanted the balloons. I think she want to put the balloons here. Yeah, like
Okay.
Is that why you want the balloons?
No, it's so big, so woody.
It's too big. Okay. I thought you liked big, but anyways. Okay. All right. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Miss Nuet. Miss Moon.
Moon.
She's Moon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for.
Miss Hong will very
for-
happy when she hearing from you. You will buy VF6 and
Oh, she knows.
VF7.
She knows already.
Yeah.
She knows. She
Yeah.
knows. She need to like work fast and give me give me fast.
Yeah.
Because that's why I love her so much. She's always able to get me the cars fast.
Yeah.
So that's why I think there's a reason she's top sales.
Yeah.
Yeah. She deliver
Yeah.
because she can deliver what the customers want.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, well, actually, you know what? My other VinFast VF5 is coming.
Yeah.
So the driver is taking the car here, and then we're gonna go back to the office together.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna come with us?
Oh, you want to come back your office? Oh, no.
No, she doesn't wanna come with
Yeah.
us. Okay, all right,
Yeah.
okay, all right. Thank you again.
Thank you.
All right, so my second VinFast VF5 Plus is in black. It's got a gray roof. All right, I think it's cool. It's black and gray. It's a good combination. And look inside. Look inside. All right, the interior is black and orange. It's very Halloweeny, and I love the orange around the center console here. The orange, accent in the dash here. Well, not dash, but whatever the thing's called. And the orange here, and the orange in the seat. I think it makes the car look very Halloween and sporty. So I really love this color combination because it makes the car look vibrant and full of energy and colorful and playful. So I think this is, I don't know, I didn't pick this, but somebody did, and I think this is actually a really good choice. Black with gray roof and black orange inside. I love it. Wow, even this part is gray, right? And it really goes well with the black. Whoa, what happened here? Hey, that's my other VinFast. That's my other VinFast, the VF5 Plus. So look, VinFast VF5 number 1 and VinFast VF number 2. Hi. Hello. Welcome. So I wanna introduce you to our company race driver. Okay. So yeah. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you. So how do you like the VinFast? What's your name?
My name Huang.
So Mr. Huang here is our company car race driver. Is our company race driver, right? Yeah. So if our staff need to go to Peng, Da Nai, anywhere, you can get there in like 15 minutes.
Oh.
Oh, he's being humble. He's being humble. Oh, he can do it. One day I will race you in the VinFast VF5. You'll drive this one. I'll drive the black one, and let's see who gets to the customer first.
Okay.
Okay. Competition accepted. Competition accepted. All right, let's go. So there you are, my 2 VinFast VF5 Pluses, and with my VinFast hat and my VinFast shirt. I'm VinFast everything now. Like my life revolves around VinFast. And I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get more VinFast because we're building a company fleet, because we have a lot of salespeople and customer service people that need to go see customers, and we're gonna build a fleet. And it's awesome that, oh, where's my phone? I can control my fleet. Well, not control, but I can see, where my cars are just using the VinFast app. I think this is the perfect setup for any company that wants to start up a fleet. So take some fucking action and look into how you can start your own company fleet of VinFast, okay? And don't be a fucktard.